Datalyze, a learning problem solving platform through data. So in this platform, we have a different set of problems. By solving the problems, even the non-technical users will get to know about how the data can be made meaningful. So this is the login page. I will just log in. So here we have the list of problems. Now the platform will take it forward from here.
Welcome. Let's do subscription drop analysis. Click on the card to start the assignment. With 1 year subscription dataset, let's figure out if other cards are gaining popularity, customer preferences are shifting, or the platinum card's fee is the culprit. Time to uncover the story behind the numbers.
We have a tooltip here to understand what are the important elements which are there in the platform. Okay, I'll just proceed to the next step.
First, load the dataset that includes monthly subscription numbers, customer age groups, income ranges, and the subscription fees for each card category.
We have an intro screen for all the tasks.
Welcome, Data Explorer. Let's unlock the treasure chest. Select your dataset and let's dive in.
I'm using linking data, which will link the data from the server.
Ah, there it is. The data has arrived safely. Let's have a quick look to see what we're working with.
There is a data cleaning process next.
Let's see if we've got any pesky duplicates lurking around.
Let me check for duplicates.
Aha, found 8 duplicates. Good catch. Great work, you just trimmed the excess. The data looks neater now. Oh no, looks like some values are missing. Don't worry, we'll fix them in no time.
I'm trying to fix through imputation. There are different options through which I can impute the data.
Impressive, you've patched up all the gaps. No blanks holding us back now. All right, let's put your visualization skills to the test. Let's start with creating a bar graph showing the number of users with each card type across all months. Great. Now drag month in the row section, left side block. Great job. Look at those bars. Do you spot any dips in platinum cards? This graph holds some important clues. Go ahead and explore more patterns to uncover hidden insights and click on Proceed button once you are ready. All right, let's put your visualization skills to the test. Your mission is to create a bar graph showing the number of users with each card type across all months. That's it. The higher subscription fee over the last 4 months seems to be driving users away. Great job piecing this together.